Hello Cylinders, this is just a check with your TJ Maths today. It's causing a bit of confusion. We're going to look at question number 3A and hopefully that will make sense for everything else. As you can see here, we've got our price list, our shopping list. So we've got 2 litres of milk at 85 pence per litre. So to calculate the total price of that, we have to do 2 times 85 pence because it's 2 litres. And the 85 pence here is only the price for 1 litre. That gives us £1.70. Now we have 3 packs of naan bread at £1.69 per pack. So to work out our total for this line, it is 3 times 1.69, which gives us £5.07. Now the cucumber is slightly different. For a whole cucumber, it's 84 pence, but we only want to buy half of it. So to work out how much that half a cucumber costs, we need to divide the 84 pence by 2. So I've written that down here. So it's a half of 84 pence, which is 42 pence. Now to get our total for our shopping, we then simply add those 3 items together and it gives us £7.19. The key to this part of the TJ section is you have to read the list carefully. Because every time we go shopping, we might buy 2 items and it's a price per item or a price per weight. We might buy half of something or quarter of something. Please read the question, and it's really important to show your workings. That way we can see where you've maybe gone wrong. Okay, take care. I hope you have a nice weekend.